Hello everyone. So today I'm going to tell about what is a bank and what are the types of bank account. So when we were younger, we have heard the word bank. What is a bank? A place to keep money? Why do we keep our money there? We keep our money there because it is a safe place and we can get interest from it. We can deposit certain amount and create more out of it. So I would be discussing about bank, types of bank and types of bank account in the next slide. So what is a bank? As we can see, there are 4 points. These 4 words described here is bank, a financial institution. So financial institution means any organization, any place, any infrastructure dealing with money. It has two functions, accepting money, granting loans. Many other money related and financial services are also provided like check facility, locker facility, etc. So these whole 4 things makes up a bank. The next one I would be discussing is what are the types of bank. So from the childhood we have heard that there are only two types of bank and I would be discussing only that two types of bank, which is private sector bank and public sector bank. Types of bank: private sector and public sector. So public sector bank are bank in which more than 50% of the stakes are in the hands of government and it is controlled by government only. And private sector bank is a bank where majority of the stakes are with the hand of private corporation and controlled by private individuals. So it is faster in technological upgradation and few banks are ICICI Bank, HDFC, Axis and Yes Bank. Public sector bank would be SBI, Bank of India, etc. These both banks are necessary for economic equally as they both contribute to GDP growth rate. It has a direct bearing with financial and economic development and they both protect people asset and create a larger value. We cannot compare both of the banks and we cannot discriminate and describe that one bank is inferior to other. Both of them is necessary for the contribution to the economy. So, what are the types of bank account? Saving account, current account, salary account, fixed deposit account, recurring account, NRI account, and demat account. So, saving account. What is a saving account? So, you deposit your money and earn interest, which is said as saving account. When you deposit your money and earn interest, and different banks gives a different interest rate. Other feature of saving account would be limited transaction. There is fixed amount of transaction which you can do and it is mostly suitable for salaried employees. Current account. So current account is mostly used by businessman because it gives quick transaction, overdraft facility and no limit of transaction. Due to this, it attracts businessman. One of the reason for attracting it is overdraft facilities. What is a overdraft facilities? Overdraft facilities means that it allows you to withdraw even when the balance is zero. So for this it does not give any interest rate. But for the businessman who needs certain emergency cash or certain emergency assets for the business dealing and purpose, it is one of the best account for them so that they can have unlimited amount of transaction and get overdraft facilities. What is a salary account? So salary account are also special types of saving account and which generally gives higher interest rate compared to normal saving account. But not everyone can open salary account and it is only for employees of the company where the salaries month to month is deposited into it. What is FD account? FD account, fixed deposit account, is the account where you deposit your money for fixed period or tenure. The money you deposited is fixed and only at the beginning of the scheme. You generally do not withdraw it. It will give you much higher returns after few years according to your investment plan. It provides higher interest rate and returns as compared to other account. Many people use it as a tax saving option as every year few amount are deposited and it is not counted in tax policy. So what is a recurring account? So recurring account is account where you deposit your money in monthly basis, quarterly basis or any other basis. You have to deposit a certain amount according to your scheme. The scheme would be of 6 months to 10 years depending upon your needs, and it provides you higher returns. So what is the difference between a FD and a RD, like fixed deposit account and recurring account? So in fixed deposit account, there is one time deposit, whereas in recurring deposit you have to have monthly, quarterly, or any other basis of investment or submission of the deposits to the bank. After that, I would be discussing about demat account. What is a demat account? So it is basically similar to the bank account, and it holds share certificate in electronic format which a person buys. When you buy a share from a share market, it automatically goes to the demat account. What is an NRI account? So what is NRI? NRI stands for non-resident of India. Who are NRI? So NRI are basically persons who are Indians but not staying in their own country and staying in other country for the purpose of education, job, or any other purpose more than 6 months. So they have account in our country only, which is known as NRI account, and it is used to have the transaction in our country, and they can transact, they can invest, they can deal with several purposes. So this is why NRI account is important for the person who are not particularly living in our country but staying in other country but have deals and transactions with our country also. So after this, I would like to end my topic, and I would like to conclude it like bank is a financial institution dealing with everything, and there are many types of accounts which a bank has: recurring account, fixed deposit account, and many other accounts. Among these, fixed deposit accounts give much higher return as compared to other accounts, and other accounts are also a part of bank, which is basically the account depends upon the need. Like businessman needs current account, salaried employees need saving accounts, salary person who is earning a salary from a particular bank or a organization or any other company is dependent on salary account. Recurring account and FD account are the investment account, is used for the investment purpose. NRI account is used for the people who are not living in our country, in the other country, but are dealing with our country's transaction. And demat account are the account which is used by those person who are investing in the share market and share capital. Thank you.